Hello, welcome to another episode of Big Man in the Woods. Now in this vlog episode I'm going to be showing you some very simple urban navigation skills. Check these out. What you should do, first of all, is look around you, see what you can find. Are there any trees? Because trees are amazing signs for urban navigation. Let's have a look at this tree and I'll explain. So here we are in central London, just off Marble Arch. And this is just a regular park. Looking at this London plane tree. But this tree is giving us lots of clues, but we've got to work out why. So when you're asked to draw a tree, most people draw a symmetrical tree. So equal on both sides, but in fact that's rubbish. We know that trees are asymmetrical. Can you see on this London plane that on the left is thinner and on the right hand side it's more bushy, isn't it? Can you see there's more branches on that tree on the right hand side of the screen? That suggests that the right side is south because the tree grows towards the sunlight, looking for growth. You also look at the branches. The branches on the towards the south are horizontal. They go towards there, whereas on the left hand screen the branches grow vertical, reaching towards the sunlight. Can you see that? Let me show you another example. So can you see this tree? It's growing to the side because the London plane is blocking out the sunlight, and it's leaning towards this side, which is the south side, trying to get more sunlight. Another sign to look for is the moss on trees. We know that moss likes to grow on dark and wet side of the tree, and if you look on the right hand side of this tree, as you can see, it's darker. So that suggests that to the right of this tree is north, and you can look on the London plane, you can see it quite clearly that on the left of this tree is lighter, which suggests it's south, and on the right hand side is darker, which is north. So using religious buildings such as behind me, a Christian church, that will help you. Navigation from a church is west to east, so that's another good sign. And if you're near a mosque, head inside and there'll be a sign to where Mecca is, and use that as a navigation skill. You go inside the church, the high altar normally faced east as well. Now this has got to be my favorite urban navigation skills, is using these satellite dishes, all here in the northern hemisphere of the world. They all point to southeast, so if you're really stuck with navigation, look for a satellite dish and you know that that way is southeast. So there we are, some tips on doing some urban navigation using those skills. So if you get confused where you are in the city, just look for those little signs. Some more ideas about scouts and camping, check out my playlist here, and until next time guys, happy camping. Bye bye.